everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the House Mouse collaboration for 2020. Each month, on the first day of the month, we're going to be presenting some of our House Mouse projects. And this entire year of projects is dedicated to Gracie21, our friend on YouTube, and the first one that did the House Mouse collabs, I believe, a couple of years ago. Gracie was a YouTube friend, and she passed away last year, so we're doing this in honor and dedication to her and her friendship. So this month, the month of April, is House Mouse and Friends, is the theme for April, and I did two of the same image, actually, and here we go. I'll show you both at the same time. I don't know what this is called. I never really pay attention to what they're called. But I did two of the same image, almost exactly the same way. And I'm doing watercolor using my wonderful Prang Professional Oval 8 semi-moist watercolors. I used a little bit of this palette, which is a gray palette. It's a really inexpensive Master's Touch palette from Hobby Lobby, and I actually don't like using it because it's got a lot of fillers in it. But I did use a little bit of that. Get my brushes out of the way. And I just thought it was too cute. It's House Mouse and Friends. I think he's part of the Happy Hoppers. Not really sure. But yeah, I think this one's called Muzzy, and they're just munching on a carrot together. I did my fluffy baker's twine. This one is a gray baker's twine. This is one of the sentiments that I made with gold foil and lamination. I had some pearls and needed something to fill up the space since I did it vertically. So I just added some tiny pearls and what was left of my Love from Lizzie little decorative stickers there. And I added a couple of sequins as well, gold sequins on this one, which is basically colored exactly the same way. I did the clouds a little bit better here than in that one. But I still put my little fluffy bakery twine ribbon there. I wrapped it around. I backed it on gray paper, but on this one, I did it on both of them. And on both of them, what I did was add this metallic marker. This is a Martha Stewart metallic marker. It's got sterling paint in it, and I just made it gray metallic instead of just plain gray. And I always like a little sparkle in things. Then I had this thank you sentiment with some black cardstock and the gold foiling, lamination, and my little 3 enamel dots. As always, I love my enamel dots. So these are the projects for April. And if you're interested in seeing more House Mouse projects, first of all, I have a playlist for you. I have 2 playlists for you from previous House Mouse collabs. I have those for 2019 and I think 2018. And then if you look in the description below, you'll see the people that have joined this collab as well for this year and that are also doing House Mouse projects. And click on their links and check out their projects. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about House Mouse. House Mouse forever, everybody. And click thumbs up if you love House Mouse. Now, you don't have to like mice, because I don't particularly like mice myself, the real ones, but I love House Mouse for whatever reason. I've been enchanted with House Mouse for many years. I bought my first House Mouse stamp at my first scrapbook expo, and I've been hooked ever since. I really love these. And so that's it, folks. I hope you liked this video. I hope you join us in this collab, and play with your house mouse stamps. And besides leaving a comment below, please click thumbs up because it really helps. And what else? Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and join me again next month. The first of the month is when we do our house mouse projects, so if you click the bell, you'll get a notification when I post that video. Thanks so much for stopping by, everybody. I really appreciate you. Bye.